Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by extracting bright orange flavor. Zest 2 oranges and juice enough to yield 1/2 cup. While you do that, separate 4 eggs, keep the whites cold to whip higher. Heat a small saucepan, melt 2 tablespoon butter and stir in 2 tablespoon flour to make a roux. This is your thickening backbone. Once the roux is pale and bubbling, gradually whisk in the orange juice and 1 cup milk so the base is smooth, then simmer to coat the back of a spoon. Now focus on volume. Beat the chilled egg whites with 1/4 tsp cream of tartar until soft peaks form, then gradually add 2 tablespoons sugar for stability. Meanwhile, temper the 2 yolks by whisking a spoonful of the hot orange base into them, then stream the yolk mixture back into the pot so you don't scramble. Once the base is slightly cooled but still warm, fold 1/3 of the meringue in to lighten it, then gently fold remaining portions to keep the air intact. Spoon the soufflé batter into buttered ramekins, filling to the rim and smoothing the top with a spatula. Run your thumb around the inside edge to help an even rise. Place on a preheated baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes until puffed and lightly golden. Do not open the oven early. Once done, serve immediately. If it falls quickly, don't worry, the flavor remains. Next time, confirm oven accuracy and ensure whites were beaten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.